Hello, I'm Nurse Sweetheart, and today I'm going to talk about the infection, and this is not a drill, and this is not a test. What is a wolf virus? A wolf virus is a virus that controlled ponies from wereponies. Those symptoms are blackout eyes with red pupils, become hostile, claws, and a mane is messy. Early stages of infection is that got bitten or scratched. Stage 1 of infection is the eyes are black out with only red pupils. Stage 3 is the claws appeared and become super hostile. Final stage is unknown, too lazy to make final stage. That's all for now. Goodbye or good night.